Welcome to Catlilli Games. There is a STEM education crisis in the U.S. Jobs related to science, technology, engineering, and math are projected to increase dramatically, but international test scores indicate that American students lack the skills needed for these jobs. Right now, the gaming industry is experiencing a huge surge in popularity, especially tabletop games. We want to use educational games to fill this knowledge gap and excite students about STEM. We can do this because I am a scientist and my co-founder is an engineer, and we are now both teachers. We create educational STEM games targeted for pre-K through 12. Our current 5 games on the market use fun game mechanics to make kids learn STEM without realizing it. In July of 2015, we were invited to join George Mason University as part of the Virginia Serious Game Institute, a business incubator for game companies. Here we plan to continue to make STEM education games and launch ourselves as a national brand. But we need your help. As I mentioned, our 5 current games on the market use fun game mechanics to make kids learn without realizing it. For example, Crazy Cats is a dice game that teaches principles of genetics. Atomic Adventures is a memory matching card game that teaches principles of applied chemistry. Cycles is a card game with 2 versions of rules for younger and older players that allows players to build cycles from the life sciences and earth sciences. Will It Blink is an engineering party game based on materials testing. And finally, Insect Intersection is a strategy card dice game that teaches principles of evolution. So what's next? We want to create an experimental chemistry tabletop game targeted for ages 6+ called Alembic. Players will compete to guess the mystery element by performing tests based on chemical properties. The STEM lessons learned will include applied chemistry, scientific method, and laboratory equipment. And the entire game is based within an alchemy type theme, so it feels like a role-playing game. But what we need? $10,000, which we are raising on Indiegogo. How will we use this money? To manufacture 500 copies of the game, cover artistic costs associated with the game, and file for intellectual property rights of the game. To thank you for your support, we include a number of unique perks associated with our unique STEM professional expertise. At level 1, from $5 to $60, you can receive perks actually associated with the game itself. At level 2, from $100 to $500, you can customize elements of the game and receive a special edition. And at the highest level, from $1,000 to $5,000, we will customize a STEM-themed party for you, either in Virginia, where we are, or at your place. So we hope you consider donating to our campaign to support STEM education, and thank you for your support.